wish my bun would fit the frame, but it does not fit the frame. Hey guys, it's Nelly. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing video. This is my September box. I did already open mine because I wanted to see what other products I needed to pull in order to create a full face of makeup. So if you're new to my channel, hi, hello, welcome. Every single month I like to take my Boxycharm and I like to do a makeup tutorial using the products that are in my box. Before we go ahead and get into the makeup tutorial portion of this video, please don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the box. The Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. You pay $21 and you receive 4 to 5 full-size beauty makeup related products every single month. We also do have a theme and the products kind of go around the theme of the box, if that makes any sense. This month's box, the theme is all access. So let's see what is in here. So the first product that I see in my box is the Violet VOSS Essentials palette, and this retails for $29. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It's a really pretty neutral palette and I love it because you can do so many different looks with this palette. You have your fun pops of colors, but then you also have your neutral shades, and yeah, I love it. And it comes with a black, which I love. I need to have a black in every single palette I own because a black is always a must. I love having a black eyeshadow as well as having like a champagne shadow. Those two for me in a palette are a must. Next we have the Dr. Brandt Hydra BIOTIC Recovery Sleeping Mask. Now this is something that I'm probably not going to be trying in today's video because this is technically a sleeping mask. You're supposed to apply this when you are sleeping. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to wear it tonight to bed, and then I'll leave a little note in the description of this video letting you guys know my thoughts and my opinion on this particular product. And this retails for $52. Mind you, the box is only $21, so that's great. Next we have the MODA Pro. This is a 5-piece deluxe eye kit eye brush set, and I love when they do this, when they include brushes for palettes. Like, I love when they do that. This brush set retails for $27.95 and you get 5 brushes in here. Next we have the Hank and Henry. This is the Blackity Black eyeliner. I have tried the Hank and Henry lipsticks and I love them, so I'm excited to try their liquid liner, and this retails for $20 and it's just an eyeliner. And then the last thing that I have in my box is the Laura Geller Gilded Honey Highlighter. This highlighter used to be super popular a couple of years back and it is absolutely stunning, and this retails for $26. So my eyebrows are already done and I did go ahead and prime my eyelids using a concealer, and we are just going to go ahead and jump straight into it. I am going to start off by taking the crease brush that came in the set, and I'm going to take the sand color. I'm going to go ahead and take this color and I'm going to work this in the crease. And this is going to be my transition shade for today. I'm going to go into the smudger brush that came in that kit, and I'm going to take the shade Cream. I'm going to put Cream in the brow bone, and this is going to be my brow bone highlight. I'm going to go ahead and take that same brush and I'm going to go into the shade Terracotta. And I'm going to put Terracotta just a little bit lower in the crease, but still really smoking it out and buffing it out. I want it to be really nice and blown out. I'm going to go now into the shade Cinnamon using the this is the detail brush, and I am going to apply this color right here in the lash line and then flicking it outwards towards the outer corner. I'm going to go back in with my previous brush and blend out those edges. It's okay if you get messy because we are going to go in and clean everything up. Don't worry, get messy with it. We want this to be as blown out as possible. I'm gonna go in with the shader brush and the color Dusty Rose, this one. And I am going to put this all over my entire eyelid. I'm going to go back in with a little bit more of cinnamon, and I'm just going to re-intensify the lash line. I'm also taking a little bit of that cinnamon shade, and I'm going to be placing it out here in the outer corner and up towards the crease. Just a little bit. I'm going to take the line brush with the black eyeshadow from the palette. I'm going to line the top lash line with this eyeshadow, kind of like creating a wing liner but with an eyeshadow. Taking the brush that we used cinnamon with, and I'm just smoking out the black a little bit more. I'm going to go in with the makeup wipe, and I'm just going to clean up this under eye, and that way we can kind of start shaping things up. So I like to point it out here in the outer corner and wipe up, and boom. So I'm going to go in with the Hank and Henry eyeliner that we also got in this month's box. Apply this really close to that lash line that we did with the black. I'm also going to be taking the black eyeliner, and I am going to draw in the inner portion of my eye. Boom. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and apply a little bit of concealer to my under eyes. That way we can finish the under eye area. I'm going to take the detail brush once again with the shade Cinnamon again, and I'm going to apply this to my lower lash line. I'm now going to take the black, and I'm going to apply this really close to the lower lashes. Take a black eyeliner, and I'm going to line my waterline. Okay guys, so my face makeup is done, like my base is done, and I did add just a little bit of highlight, but I'm going to go back in and intensify it in just a second. But if you want to see how I created this base, check out my Instagram, because I'm going to have a little tutorial on that over there. So we're going to go ahead and bronze. I'm taking the Becca, this is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder in Golden Bronze. I'm going to take this, and I'm going to use this to, oof, that's a lot of powder. I'm going to take this, and I'm going to use this to bronze up the skin. And I'm also going to take some and apply it to the nose. So now I'm going to go back in with some more of my translucent powder, and I'm going to bake the sides of the nose. I'm going to go ahead and apply blush, and for blush I'm going in with the Ofra Island Thyme, and I'm going to take the shade Bellini, this one right over here. Now I'm going to take a big powder brush and just kind of buff away the powder under the eyes, nose, and just buff everything out. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with the eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to add a little bit more of terracotta to the under eyes because we kind of lost it a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with a little bit more of Gilded Honey and re-intensify it. Go ahead and move on to the lips. I'm going to line my lips using the KKW number 2 lip liner. I'm going to take the Charlotte Tilbury Bitch Perfect lipstick. And then I'm going to go in with the 1 in a Million gloss by Kylie. I really love the color of this gloss. And just put a little bit in the center. Okay, so I am going to curl my lashes and pop on some falsies, and I'll be right back with the finished look. Okay guys, so this is it. This is the completed look using everything that I received in this month's Boxycharm. This was definitely a standout box for me. Personally, I just loved everything. The eyeshadow palette is gorgeous. These shadows performed so well. They're so pigmented, so easy to blend with, and I'm so excited to create more looks using this eyeshadow palette. Another standout product was definitely the liquid liner from Hank and Henry. Wow, this is so good. Look how black it is, and it has stayed the whole entire time. I haven't had to retouch it or anything, which is a plus. Some liquid liners, especially the ones that come in a brush like this one, they tend to fade and look kind of wet, but this one has stayed put and it's so dark. I am obsessed. I'm going to leave a link down below where you can go ahead and check out Boxycharm and sign up for a box if you would like to. As always, my Boxycharm videos are not sponsored. I do these videos because you guys really like them and I really like creating them for you guys. So that is pretty much it. That is going to do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!